question. How many of you have been scolded by an adult? Not just your parents, but an adult. Well, I bet most of you have. And today I'm speaking on behalf of all the young people who are often scolded but rarely heard. What adults should know about us is that we are not machines designed to obey without thought or feeling. We understand the value of guidance. We respect experience. And we know that rules exist for a reason. But we are still human, designed to think, decide, and grow. But when choices are made for us, we obey, but we don't learn. When we are not allowed to be heard, our confidence slowly turns into silence. And when mistakes are punished, not explained, we are not allowed to express our feelings. We are not trying to argue. We are trying to understand. We want to know why, not what. So, the more and more when we are not heard, we realize that we are quickly losing confidence. So, next time when adults scold you, don't think, oh, this argument is so stupid, let's stop this immediately. Think of it as another place where you can learn. Thank you and have a nice day.
Modern English School.